Welcome to our journey through Napa City, California, where every corner holds a treasure trove of hidden facts and wonders. From its stunning vineyards to its rich history, let's dive into 30 fascinating facts about this enchanting city. Despite its association with California, Napa City is not located in the Golden State, but rather in the state of Tennessee. Napa City was established in 1837 and named after Napa Valley in California, reflecting the aspirations of its founders for it to become a hub of viticulture. One of the lesser-known facts is that Napa City was once a major shipping port along the Mississippi River, facilitating trade and commerce in the region. Did you know that Napa City is home to the world's largest collection of Tiffany stained glass windows? These exquisite artworks can be found in the First Presbyterian Church, adding a touch of artistic grandeur to the city. Napa City boasts a thriving culinary scene, with numerous Michelin-starred restaurants offering delectable cuisine paired with locally produced wines. The first commercial winery in Napa City was established in 1859 by John Patchett, marking the beginning of the city's illustrious winemaking heritage. Napa City is renowned for its hot air balloon rides, providing visitors with a unique perspective of the picturesque Napa Valley landscape from above. Napa City is home to the Goodman-LeGrand House, a beautifully preserved Victorian mansion that offers a glimpse into the city's affluent past. The Napa City Farmers Market, held weekly, showcases the region's bounty of fresh produce, artisanal goods, and local crafts, making it a must-visit for food enthusiasts. Napa City is steeped in history, with several museums such as the Napa City Museum and the Napa Firefighters Museum offering fascinating insights into its past. Napa City's vibrant art scene is exemplified by the numerous galleries and studios scattered throughout the city, showcasing the works of local and international artists alike. Boasting over 80 parks and green spaces, Napa City provides ample opportunities for outdoor recreation, from hiking and biking to picnicking and birdwatching. The Napa River Trail offers a scenic pathway for pedestrians and cyclists, winding its way through lush landscapes and providing stunning views of the river. Napa City is renowned for its Cabernet Sauvignon wines, which thrive in the region's Mediterranean climate and volcanic soils, producing rich and complex flavors. Napa City's downtown district is brimming with charming boutiques, artisanal shops, and quaint cafes, making it the perfect destination for a leisurely stroll. Throughout the year, Napa City hosts a variety of cultural festivals and events, celebrating everything from wine and food to music and art, adding to its vibrant atmosphere. Napa City's architectural heritage is evident in its historic buildings and landmarks, including the Napa Valley Opera House and the Uptown Theater, which showcase stunning examples of Victorian and Art Deco architecture. Napa City offers breathtaking panoramic views from vantage points such as Skyline Wilderness Park and Westwood Hills Park, allowing visitors to admire the city's beauty from above. The Napa Valley Wine Train offers a unique way to experience the region's wineries, taking passengers on a scenic journey through the vineyards aboard vintage railcars. Napa City is home to some of the oldest grapevines in the United States, with some vineyards dating back over a century, a testament to the region's rich winemaking tradition. Napa City's downtown riverfront has undergone extensive revitalization in recent years, transforming into a bustling hub of dining, entertainment, and recreation. The Fuller House, built in 1859, is one of Napa City's oldest surviving structures, offering a glimpse into the city's architectural past and serving as a reminder of its pioneer heritage. Napa City's proximity to San Francisco makes it a popular day trip destination for Bay Area residents, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. The Napa Valley Wine Auction, held annually, is one of the most prestigious events in the wine industry, attracting connoisseurs and collectors from around the world. Napa City's diverse population is reflected in its eclectic dining scene, with restaurants offering cuisine from around the globe, ranging from Italian and French to Thai and Mexican. The Silverado Trail, a scenic route that meanders through the Napa Valley, offers breathtaking views of vineyards, mountains, and rolling hills, making it a favorite among nature lovers and photographers. Napa City is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with numerous hiking trails, golf courses, and water sports opportunities available year-round. While Napa City is best known for its wine, it also boasts a burgeoning craft beer scene, with several breweries producing a wide range of innovative and flavorful brews. Napa City's commitment to sustainability is evident in its eco-friendly practices, from organic farming methods in its vineyards to energy-efficient initiatives in its businesses and homes. Napa City's rich cultural heritage is celebrated through events such as the Napa Valley Film Festival and the Napa Porch Fest, showcasing the city's artistic talents and community spirit. Napa City is home to the stunning Greystone Cellars, formerly the Christian Brothers Winery. This historic building features grand architecture and is now the site of the Culinary Institute of America, where aspiring chefs hone their craft. Few know that Napa City played a role in aviation history as the site of the Napa Airport, which was utilized by the U.S. military during World War II. Today, the airport serves as a hub for general aviation and offers scenic flight tours over the Napa Valley. Napa City's diverse ecosystems support a wealth of flora and fauna, including rare and endangered species. Efforts to preserve these habitats are evident in conservation areas such as the Napa River Ecological Reserve, providing sanctuary for native wildlife. Napa City is not just about wine and leisure. It's also an emerging hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. The Napa Valley Entrepreneurial Center fosters creativity and collaboration, supporting startups and small businesses in the region's burgeoning tech and wine tech sectors. Napa City prioritizes the well-being of its residents, offering numerous health and wellness amenities such as fitness centers, yoga studios, and holistic health practices. The city's tranquil surroundings provide an ideal backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. Beneath the surface of Napa City lies a hidden treasure: geothermal energy. The city harnesses this renewable resource for heating, cooling, and electricity generation, reducing its carbon footprint and promoting sustainability. Napa City has a rich equestrian heritage, with horseback riding being a popular recreational activity for residents and visitors alike. Several equestrian centers offer riding lessons, trail rides, and even equine therapy programs. And there you have it. Fascinating facts about Napa City, California, a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Until next time, happy travels.